Thank you, Dr. Patel, for being here. One of the first questions we want to ask you is that what do you see as the most underappreciated role of mitochondria beyond energy production?
That's a good question. I think most people learn very early in high school or now even grade school that mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell. And when you learn something about something, that tends to focus where you think about stuff, right? And so no one learns anything else about mitochondria. So completely true. They are the powerhouse of the cell. Without them, we don't make energy. Without them, we don't survive. We need them to grow, move, do all the things we do. I think the underappreciated thing that we're really after, and one of the things we've been thinking about in the lab, is how they move dynamically and how are they structurally constructed, right? So there are different shapes and sizes in every cell, and that shape and size gives them function. And so most people tend to think that function is a consequence of some sort of reaction, right? And we have a very early opinion of this, that function is a consequence of structure. And so structure determines what mitochondria do, how they behave, how they interact. And this is, I think, the underappreciated part, is they are an organism that got incorporated into us. And so it's a coevolution of a symbiosis, right? And so one of the things that I think is underappreciated is they are an organism, right? A living organism living inside us. And they have all of the same requirements. They're social, they like to interact. When they're close together and they're dynamically shaping and shifting, they create a lot of resiliency in a cell. When they separate, just like in humans, when you're isolated, you become very toxic, right? And aggressive and reactive. And this is what mitochondria do. And I think that's the underappreciated part of them.